How to get voice changer on Meta Quest 2, 3, 3S without a PC. Now in this very quick video, I'll show you how you can change your voice if you're using Meta Quest 2, 3, or 3S without using your PC. Now, the very first thing that you want to have to keep in mind is you could actually do this kind of feature. However, if you're not going to be using PC, you can still use the voice changer by using MetaQuest any type of model, but you can only change it while recording, not on a live game. So what you want to have to do is to open up a web browser available on your device, and then from here just simply type in voice changer. And there is actually a lot of options that you can use. Say, for example, 11 Labs, Artlist.io, Voice Changer, IO, and so on and so forth. Say, for example, Voice Changer. From here, you just need to make sure that your device that you're using or attach into your mobile phone is fully allowed. In here, you can upload audio or use your microphone to change your sound output. From here, you can choose what specific sound you would like to use or to be changed. And then again, you could actually do this feature to change your voice using any types of MetaQuest, but you will not be able to do this on a live game. And that's how you get voice changer on MetaQuest 2, 3, 3S without a PC.